Looking for the best AI side hustle you can start today with $0 and zero experience? If you want to make money online but don't know where to begin, I've got you covered. The absolute best beginner-friendly model right now is creating faceless AI channels. You don't need an expensive camera, and you don't even need to show your face or use your own voice. Here is the simple three-step formula. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to write a highly engaging, viral script. Just ask it to generate 5 interesting facts, a motivational quote, or a short, scary story in your niche. Step 2. Copy that script and paste it into an AI voice generator like ElevenLabs. In seconds, you'll get a professional, ultra-realistic, human-sounding voiceover that keeps viewers hooked. Step 3. Generate stunning visuals using free AI image or video tools like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or Kling AI. Put your voiceover and visuals together in a free editor like CapCut and add some auto captions. Upload these as YouTube Shorts or TikToks. As your channel grows and you hit the partner program, you'll start earning passive income from ad revenue and sponsorships every single month. It's really that simple. Want a full, step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to build one of these channels? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to AI Profit Lab for more AI money-making secrets. Thank you.